Or, you know, I could just turn on my microphone. That would probably be a good start. Alright, hey, we are doing this. It's been a long time. I am muting the stream on my end because hearing me talk after I talk is going to be really annoying. Haven't done this in a while. Twitch stream and YouTube stream going on. You should be able to see both from whatever stream you're watching at the moment. So that should be fine. That looks completely wrong on Twitch side. Let me just move that over here. Right, so what am I actually doing again? First, I want to make sure everything's working. So, yep, that works. If I go over here, just change, and indeed it does. Alright, cool. So, what am I doing? This is going to be really, really tedious. I am going to be working on item management, or specifically getting items and then storing it into a save file, because that's going to take forever and I need to get it done. And I need some way of motivating me, so what better way than to just stream what I'm doing. I should have music still running in the background. Yeah, it's still running in the background. Oh, but it is loud. It is droning up my voice, which may or may not be a good thing. But let's go down over here. Don't worry, Jay. Let's go down. Music should be fine. Let me just test that again. There you go. I think that's fine. Cool. I'm still glad to see that YouTube Shorts, the way it works is that it literally floods people in, and that's a good sign. Right, so focusing. I'm not going to be keeping an eye on chat, so I'll try to keep an eye on chat, I think is what I mean to say. But it might be a little tricky considering I have to have my phone on and YouTube doesn't like my phone. Oh, really? That episode? No, I'll just watch that later. That's fine. That's fine. Cool. So, I think that should all be working. Yeah, okay, that is changing perfectly. Right, so, the first thing I want to do is I'm going to go into the title screen. This is all placeholder. Things may change at an instance. Things may be updated sooner or later, because I want to make sure everything is working. Because at the moment, things kind of work. I want to change that to they definitely work. And unfortunately, my PC is that's loud. That's loud. That's loud. That's loud. That's loud. Down, 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 down. There you go. Okay, there you go. I think that fixed the audio. You're going to be listening to two sets of music. I should probably also change it. There you go. So that all works. So I have a demo level, which is getting everything sorted. I'm going to be skipping the cutscenes because I just want to be straight to testing, because I know this works, kind of. Right, so since the loading screen is done with, I do wish that would spin as it's loading, because at the moment it's just loading one scene, and this is frozen while it's loading. It's not great. So I'll have to fix it. There you go. So I just realised there's a problem here. Yeah, there is definitely a problem. If I go into items, I want to go into special. Let's There you go. Clear. If I do special, zero, give me. It's too much. Okay, so let's try special. I guess that works. Special. I think replay. Zero. Okay, that didn't work. So, did it encounter an error? Because I did a cheat, it's going to change the music. No, it didn't actually change the... Oh no! Because it failed cheat. But this now means I have to unload the tutorial, because pausing breaks the cheat system. And I'm not going to fix cheating yet, because it's cheating. It's not good. Go over here. Let's change this to Blade, because my cheat system has a character cap, which means if I go over the cap, it just auto clears. And unfortunately, that name just auto cleared. Let's go into tutorial. It probably won't play music at first. It will eventually load. There you go. This sadly is not a tutorial, this is literally just me figuring shit out. There you go, it's loading. There you go. Why did I do that again? But I think if I do special Excalibur 0, give me. That broke. If I do special demo Excalibur 0, give me. Oh no! It broke immediately. So that means even tabbing out causes problems? Well, that's weird. Cheat. I want special, because that's what it is. Dash into Dark Sword. Dash into 0, dash into give me. There you go. If I do special Dark Sword 1, give me. That's only giving me weapons. That shouldn't be giving me weapons. Special. To every weapon it has an S. Doesn't exist, so it doesn't do anything. I do special demo Caliburn 2. Give me. No, it's not recognizing certain items. Is it because I just cleared it? That might be because I just cleared it. Special played 0. Give me. Special Dark Sword 0. Give me. No, it does certain weapons more than others. And then it breaks. Also that segment clear shouldn't be there. Whoops, I forgot to change that. Actually, it just broke. Why did it break? Well, let's have a look here. Got loot bags. It's just item data. It's not crashing it. So that means it's trying it. Was it giving me a warning? Audio source, audio source, audio source, audio source. Something flubbed. But that's not the error it should be throwing out. It should be throwing out do I exist? Yes. Must be instantiated. Yes, yes. What's this one? Give me eat string. So that means just move this up. Instance of an object. So that's where it came from. Check code, which is what it should be doing. 681 in unit health. That's just where on my visibility doesn't exist. Hello. So that means implementation. Wait, hold on. Item equal null. If I do item equal new item data. I know this is bad practice having capital letters. I'll sort that eventually. Bonus damage, visibility. It's probably when I did that bad read, that's what happened. When I did the bad read, what happened was it immediately went, no, that doesn't exist. We ran to an error and just everything. Go. Play it now. Does it now? Ooh! Ooh, it didn't like that at all. Uh-oh. Special Dark Sword 0, give me. Shoot. Yeah, no, it didn't like that. Oh no, it did not like that at all. That's probably why I didn't do it. And if I do new item data, if I go into implementation, string type, so it just gives it default, which is just default everything. I'll also give it 5 and 5. Make sure to keep switching scenes because I got attached to my mouse. I will also check is my mouse input actually. When was there a git here? I don't remember there being a git command at all. Convenient. It's not what I'm looking for. Ah, I'll do it later. Deal with it later. For now. So what's happening is it's making a blank. But the blank is causing problems, to put it lightly, and to put it heavily, it's just causing an error, and then as soon as it happens, you know, it immediately wants to die. After any drop. Which one was it? Where was the catch? Don't need you. Item data. Are you sure it wasn't here? No, it wasn't here. It was... I'll eventually get there. Try. Is it? Oh, it's cheats. That's what it is. It's a cheats option, isn't it? Where are you? Here you are. Yeah, something flubbed. Log error. Oh, and it's then destroying the component, which then destroys the thing, because that's what it's doing. If I just... I don't want to quite get rid of it, but at the same time it doesn't need to be here, so I'll just do that. Ah, and I forgot to do something. What was it? Oh, maybe me typing in a word is a bad idea. Alright, cool. That should resolve all the errors. Wait for it to actually build. Go. Oh! Oh, that was even angry at me. What'd I do? Maybe a Bloody Knight. Special Dark Sword. 0, give me. Okay. So it's trying to instantiate, which yes it is. It's trying to add item. Let me just try. Log warning. Temp stir. Let me just grab all this. Oh, right. No, I want plus. Because I want to see what it's actually trying to do. Because if it's passing something incorrectly, I want to know why it's incorrect. Let's have a look. Compiler errors have to be fixed. What was the error? Oh. Got a bracket. Whoops. This is the tedious part, just waiting for it to compile again and again. Let's see here. If I then do this, oh, it's still not happy. Okay, it loads. Special dark sword 0. Give me. Special sword 0. Give me. The issue is that the moment I go into this menu, it just kills the entire debug. Because I believe what happens. Oh, yep. So, this is the music that plays when you cheat it. I think I've got different music for it, but the point is supposed to be kind of like why. Special caliber 0. 0. Give me. So it's registering what I'm supposed to be doing. Special Excalibur. Special Excalibur 0. Give me. It should be giving it to me. If anything, that's correct. So where is it breaking? So if I do E 2 string. So let's see. Why is it breaking? What is the problem that is causing it to just die? It can't be time. It can't be time scale. It has to be something else. Let's see here. First of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to figure out why it keeps wanting to. I think I know why. I think it's because I just put in a call where it shouldn't exist. Yeah, no. This has to be null. It has to be null. It's the only way this works. Okay. Now play. Play music, because music doesn't exist. Special dark sword 0. Give me. Special dark sword 1. Give me. It still plays the same animation, which is a really bad sign. Special dark sword 2. Give me. Breaks on 2. Special Caliburn 0. Give me. Okay. So what's it saying is the problem? Still saying null. So that's from here, but what line? Yeah, what's this? 180. What? Debug enemy doesn't exist. What? $586. That means is it because I'm trying to add too much at once? I think so. And does it say nope anywhere? No, it doesn't. So what? I do string temp equal really? So it is trying to do added. So it is trying to do it. So where's the break? Yeah, items, special, Caliburn. Items, special. Yeah. Oh, Caliburn doesn't exist. Okay. If I'd, if ooh, I haven't manually raised an error in forever. If I do oh, it's throwing an error. Ah, I haven't been switching scenes, have I? You're still on that one. Yes, you are. God damn it. I'm so used to OBS's automatic scene switcher. Because that made it fit so much easier. The reason I'm using Streamlabs is because it's stable. Because I've tried using OBS, and it basically just kept killing itself all the time. New null Unity engine null. Where the fudge is null reference exception? Really? Are you not? Skip to live. Why are you doing that? Cool. So now, if it's getting the wrong thing, it should now just throw an error going, nope, can't do it, doesn't exist. Do special dark sword 0, give me. Special dark sword 1, give me. Special none 0, give me. Okay. I'll do special Caliburn 0. Nope. Special Caliburn 0. Nope. Caliburn 0, 0, give me. Can't find Caliburn 0. Why is that? Because you are definitely there.
I just took a break, I'm on pause. Still undefeated, the boss.
Okay.
Just took a break, I'm on pause. Still undefeated, the boss.
Let's try. F-blade. Let's try making it simpler. This also means I don't have to remember 13 different things. Special dark sword 0, give him. Ooh. And Unity crashed. Oh, never mind. Doesn't crash yet. Dark sword at special. Well, that's funny because it worked.
1, 2, we do not know what you did when you pressed F4. And we do not know what you did when you went into settings. And we do not know what you did when you ticked all those boxes.
Oh.
We just know you ticked the box, mark cheats. You're cheating. You're
That
cheating.
worked.
You're cheating. You're cheating. You're
That
cheating.
didn't. That's weird. Now, that might have been because I misspelt special.
1, 2, we do not know what you did when you pressed F4. And we do not know what you did when you went into settings.
Can't find it. That's what I find baffling. Why can't it find it? If I just do string temp equal item, yeah, I'm just gonna copy this completely. This one. Throw exception. Ah, but it won't actually throw the exception because I'm not catching it. So I want to actually. I could just catch it. Or I could do this. Temp. Failed. Then that should be right. Get rid of this. So now it's giving me the full directory of what's failing. Because I don't think anything is particularly failing naturally. I think there is something clogging up the system. Oh, also, I forgot. If I just do temp. There you go. That should be fine. Checking a couple of things first. Now, let's see. Why are you saying that nothing exists when certainly something exists? Because I know you exist. Special. R-Blade. 0. Give me. Item special. R-Blade. Is it the space? No, it can't be the space. Special L blade 0 given. I don't get that at all. Why is it doing that? It's not because I'm trying to stream it in live time. It fails to do. No, because it would just wait a bit. It would lag a bit. It's not. This is why I hate debugging. It's a nightmare when it doesn't work and you want to know why and it doesn't let you figure it out. Special. I'm in the special area. I want to get R-Blade 0. Give me. No, doesn't find it. Okay, if I do special R-Blade 0. Give me. Oh, it's gotta be lowercase, right? Rare Hoof. Special. Caliburn Z 0. Give. No, it doesn't find it. Why is it not finding it? It's literally right there. Special. The end. 0. Okay, let's try this again. Special. The end. 0. Give me. It's not giving it? Whoops. Why are you not? Why aren't you getting it? That's what I want now. Oh. Oh, right. I see that's how I did it. But where did I put you? Here you go. Go into console. It should be getting it. Okay. I'll call this test. I'll call this test 1, test 2, test 3. Testing weapons. Testing armor. Testing utilities. Okay. What needs to happen? Special test 0. Give me. The fudge is he doing? Can I just hard code a check to make sure it's working right? I do resources.load special items special test sources has nor in it. Load is capitalized. It's important. And so this hard-coded check will basically force it to say, hey, can you see the test thing? If it can, it means it's doing things properly. If it doesn't, it means it's loading something incorrectly and it's causing a whole bunch of problems. Special test 0. Give me. Special. No. 0. Give me. It's failing the hardcore check. So let me just make this even more. It's just going to search for the test. That's all it's going to do. It's not going to find anything else. Just the test. So it doesn't matter actually what I put in. Why is it not wanting to load? Resources usually work really well. And now they're deciding, no, I don't actually want to load even though I'm loading in exactly what you want me to load. Special test. Give me special test 0. Special test 0. Give me. Okay. So the hardcore test works fine. Oh, fuck. Is that really it? Is it actually broken because I put spaces in? I think that's what's been breaking it this entire time. Hourbites, no. As lovely as you are, I don't want an advert. Not right now. So, in theory, you should work because I've gotten rid of the spaces. Special R-Blade 0, give me. Special Excalibur 0, give me. Again, special Excalibur 0, give me. Special test 0, give. Special test 0, give. Excuse me. Would you like to explain? Item special test. Okay. Okay. That's gonna get really annoying. I'll do it in lowercase then. See if that resolves it. There we go. Special R-Blade 0, give me. Special test 0, give me. Okay, okay. Special. No, special test 0. This could be the end. Special test 0, give me. Oh! Is it the backspace? Is it breaking when I do backspace? So what is backspace? If object equals that. Oh! I think I just realized what's happening. If I'm forcing... Oh, don't tell me it was that simple. That's gonna really annoy me if that was that simple. Because what has probably been happening all this time is that it's been adding the backslash or the return or the new at the end of it, and that's been meaning it's entering an invalid object because it's going, oh, -1. Oh, wait, you can't have this character, it doesn't exist. Which is annoying, to say the least. Oh, you can't see anything. There you go. Yeah, so I just forgot to add proper care to make sure, hey, don't backslash. Because it was only happening when it was clearing, but not clearing when it hit a certain character limit. Only when I forced it to clear. Special test 0, give me. Special R-Blade 0, give me. Special L-Blade 0, give me. Ooh. Special Excalibur 0, give me. I fixed a very basic issue with my code. That took so long. If I do special Excalibur 2, give me. Hey, that also works. It still doesn't register right because it still thinks it's a weapon. But hey, that means the cheat menu now works. I spent so long on a cheat menu. Oh my god. Okay. So yeah. So yeah, now this code is all done, that's fine. Now I can add things as I want, that's all good. Now, the fun part is actually getting the bloody weapon notification to work. Because it should find all references. There's only one reference there. Find all references. Yeah, you have that. And you have that. Okay. So it's going into the UI. So if I go to, where is it? It's in resources. No, actually. Notification, which notification belongs to the item get animation. Oh boy. Here, item get animation belongs to notification. There we go. Weapon to notif. Utility. I forgot to press that again. Utility. This is going to be armor. This is going to be weapon. Because at the moment it is only saying new weapon and not actually getting anything done. but it is doing it right. It's spawning it. Yeah, so it's spawning it. Then go to the get animation. Start animation. It then scales it kinda. Tweens. To that. If I then do debug.log saved id.id.name or new name. Need to actually a name, D name because defense, bad naming schema, W. Because at one point I changed from defense to armor and then back to defensive. Not very streamlined, not very good. Is the microphone still working? Yes, it is still working. That's good. That's good. I'll eventually let's go back. Oh, I might sneeze. Special caliber. Oh. Oh no, it doesn't have a name. That's what I did wrong. Oh no. Thankfully I don't have to go into code for that. Going over here. Special into Excalibur, which should be over here. Call this Excalibur. Defense name is Holy Armor. Your name is. There you go. Self. There we go. So now it should work fine. Special Excalibur 0, give me. Ooh. Hello. Where did it go? ID, where's ID belong to? ID is the item drop. Oh, please don't tell me it's doing what I think it's doing. Oh no. Oh no, don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me. This is item get animation, item drop. Let's just go to item drop, shall we? I want to do public string Return. If I do id dot w name with id dot d name with I don't know why it's doing that. With id dot uname let's go back over here. id dot I will just slam everything into that string just to give me all the data I want, because annoyingly it appears not to be working. Like, it recognizes it's got an item, it just doesn't recognize its name, so I think it's getting a null variable even though it's getting its name properly there. Special Excalibur. Special Excalibur 0 give me. Oh, it's actually giving nothing. Oh, that's fun. Oh, okay, let's play a game called Where the Fudge. Where the fudge do you go? Set info. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. That's not fine. That's still on side quest. That's on unit health, which is what we want. IGA go, which is game object. Start animation player. Makes a loot bag, yes. Gets rotation, yes. Adds component item drop, yes. I don't really add component item drop. Why did I do that? So it's getting the reference, which is fine. How the fuck did I do this again? Set everything to a default value. Fine, whatever. Sets everything. So if it's damage, does that. Oh, it might. It might have just been grabbing a blank variable. That might be why it was doing that. Because I was saying, set your name and not set your WDU name. It's a bit redundant in hindsight, because what it's effectively doing is saying, hey, can you use this item to rename the same item, but with less detail? Hey! Okay, so special Excalibur 1. Cool! It's not actually doing what I want it to do, which is yeah, it's just saving Excalibur. So it's not actually doing anything with that number I'm giving it. But it is actually adding it as an item. So type, drop type, yeah. Item animation. Yes, it's only assuming it's a weapon. It's not actually doing what I want it to do. Saved base. So now I should be getting all. Again, I forgot to switch. I've basically just added secondary code to say, please specify what I want. It should be specifying what I want it to specify. Special Excalibur 2, give me. And it's treating it like a weapon. Oh, how I am loathing this. Because I specified not 2. Not 0, sorry. I definitely specified. So, where is it setting its find all references? Okay. So it's just doing that. Start animation, ID equals get mode ID name. Get component amp drop. So is it item drop that's not being updated? Find all references. It's not actually fucking updating it. Oh fuck. Oh, that actually explains a whole lot now that I think of it. Good documentation. Shit. Drop type equal type, which is, yeah, that's fine. Drops down, find references for each drops. For each drops. Good rotation. Then it goes here. id.id.type. My type? No. Okay, I see what's going on here. It's because when to start animation, so when it's no, actually when it's all references, it's ID item drop. So item drop must be find all references, find all references, that might explain a couple of things. God damn it. Gosh darn it. That's not great. It's not great. Not great at all. Find references for this one. Util. Say armor ID, component. Set weapon details. Item drop. Final references. ID dot type equal reference dot type. That should be enough, because I don't think I was never adding its type. So whoops. That should now fix it. If it does fix it, that's great. I'm going to cut things off there. If it doesn't fix it, I'm going to be screaming for the next 10 minutes. If I do special Excalibur 1. Yes, that did it. Special Excalibur 2, give me. Aye, that worked. It actually worked. There we go. There we go. Now. Whoa, hello. Now, the next step, which I'm probably not going to get to tonight because it's getting late, is I want weapons and armor and whatever to appear here. Also, music wants to change on the map, so. Alright, I'm going to call it there. That was not fun, that was painful actually. But I did it, and it's actually working. Even if the code looks like it came out of a madman's scroll. Anyway, peace. As soon as I can get to the actual